Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sergio Castillo. My channel is Guala Sirs, the chosen one. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a paper airplane fast. Yes, fast. So when we come back, that's what we're going to be doing. Alright guys, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to fold the paper in half. Right? Bam. Once you do that, you fold the corners lining up to the crease in the line. Oh, kind of messed up there. But you can always readjust it if you mess up. So bam. And bam. Now after that, you just want to keep refolding the corners to the center of the line. So we're just going to keep refolding these. Bam. Bam. See how that's working? And then you do it again, one more time. So it's 3 folds. Bam. Make sure I get it all lined up. It's got to be lined up correctly. If it's not, then it's probably not going to fly well. And that's the trick. Line it up. Line it up on this side too. Make sure everything is evenly structured. Bam. And now you just fold the middle in half. Make sure your crease is still creased, so it still flaps, so it folds up. And bam. There you go. You got yourself an airplane, my man. The key here is to have your point tipping the right way, and if you want, you can fold the corners like so for some wings on your airplane. You just make sure to line them up. And there you go. Unfold them some. And there you go. You got yourself an airplane. Bam. Now let's test and see how this thing flies. So there you go guys. That's how to make an airplane fast. Peace.